Hello my friend, we are coming back with a new version of XAUBOT. It's called XAUBOT AI. In this video, I want to tell you how to install from scratch. First of all, you have to visit XAUBOT.com. After that, you should choose your XAUBOT AI. We have XAUBOT AI and XAUBOT AI Pro. In this video, I want to tell you how to install XAUBOT AI. After choosing your plan, we have different plans like free trial, monthly, 6 months, yearly, and lifetime plan. After registering for your plan, you will receive a license key and a bot files in your email. After downloading a bot file, you will receive a file in your email. As you can see, this is a file which include some indicator 1, indicator 2, indicator 3, 4, and 5, and this is a main file of XAUBOT AI that you have to copy and paste in expert file. First of all, I have to extract the file. You have to copy a main file. This is XAUBOT AI exe4. You should copy. After opening your account, it should be noted that your account number should be the same account number that you enter in XAUBOT.com website, and you receive a license key related to this account. After that, you should go to File, Open Data folder. Here, MQL4, Expert, and paste XAUBOT_AI.ex4. Again, you should choose indicator files. After copy all of them, again you will come to, I want to tell you from the first, you will go to File, Open Data folder, MQL4, indicator. Here you must paste all of them. Okay. After pasting all of them, you should go to Tools option. Just click on this and make sure this is enabled. Here I add HTTPS XAUBOT.com. You have to add exact address here and click on OK. After that, in the left part of your MetaTrader, you will see a navigator. If you cannot see, you can go to File and turn on the navigator. Here you will see Expert Advisor like this. When you click on plus, you will see the detail inside the Expert Advisor. You should click on Refresh and you will see XAUBOT AI. Here you will choose one currency. For example, here I use IUD NZD. As you can see, you can right click on it and chart window. It will open. Double click in XAUBOT AI. As you can see, these ticks should be on. Inputs, I will let you know about the inputs, and okay. As you can see, right now XAUBOT has a problem for running time frame. If you want to run XAUBOT as a multi-level strategy, you should choose 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, it's live right now, but after checking the license, you will receive a invalid license key because we did not add the license key in input. And whenever you click on this multi-level, your strategy will change to scalp. As you can see, this is scalp strategy and you can change your parameters. This is the scalp strategy. Scalp strategy must be in M5. So this new version of XAUBOT has two different strategies inside. First strategy, it's multi-level strategy, and second strategy is scalp strategy. So if you want to choose the parameters, you can set all the parameters related to multi-level and scalp strategy. Here, this is a parameter of multi-level and scalp strategy. Here, as you can see, this is related to multi-level. All these inputs, it's related to multi-level, and all from here, all these inputs is related to scalp strategy till here. After that, it will be related to calendar. I will let you now how to configure multi-level one by one for the parameters and scalp strategy both. After entering your license key, you can set and configure your EA. Here you can choose which strategy you want to use. For example, multi-level or single, or from here you can change it. This one is magic number. You can choose a preferred magic number for your trades. This is trade comment, and you can change based on your desire. If your account in the broker is ECN, you should turn it on. Debug. If you have problem and after 24 hours you did not receive any trades, you did not see any trade in your account, you can turn it on and see what is the problem from expert in the tab of expert. What is the problem of your account? Control from the server. If you turn it on, so you will allow the XAUBOT team to control, to turn off or turn on the bot in a bad situation. For example, we have one speech from someone important, or we have unpredictable news in the market. So in this case, our team in XAUBOT will stop the bots and do not allow to open new position on that period. So in this case, you will allow us to control, turn it on or turn it off. We highly recommend to leave it true because it will be more safer for your account. So from here, you will have control for your multi-level strategy. If you want to choose multi-level strategy, here it's a parameters for multi-level strategy. As you can see, this is reverse strategy. If you choose true, you will allow the bot to open buy whenever you have sell also, or open sell whenever you have buy also. This is maximum symbols. For example, if you choose 5 symbol, you will allow the bots to open simultaneously 2 trades, 2 currencies at the same time. Risk level, you can choose your risk level based on, we highly recommend to test on the demo account or make back test to understand the exact tolerate for yourself as a risk. We highly recommend to start by low risk. Fixed lot size, if you just check the guideline, you will understand about each parameters. If you want to allow the bot only open buy or sell or buy and sell, you can control it. Maximum drawdown. This is the important part. Whatever currencies you want to trade, you have to write the name here. After adding your license, you will see premium version, and as you can see, invalid license key. After several minutes or several seconds, you will see another error, that check symbol. When you click on the tab, you will see there is a problem of get margin required. So what is the problem exactly? For example, you want to run the bot on AUD NZD or CAD JPY. So first of all, what should we do? You should double click on the smiley face and delete all the currencies here. Here, as you can see, symbol is 1, and we should wait for changing this to live. Again, we should choose CAD JPY, for example. We will run the bot. This will be only for first time. And here, you will delete all of them. Whenever you delete this, you allow the bot to run on the currency that you put the bot on it. So you will choose 15 minutes time frame, and as you can see, it's running. So here again, I want to run, for example, these 2 currency in the same bot right now, because the bot can read all the information from these 2 currency. You can write the name, and only in one chart the bot will run, and you will have a trade from 2 separated currencies. So AUD NZD, it should be note that it should be the same name from your broker, AUD NZD dot, because in our broker it's dot, it's inside the name, and comma CAD dot. That's it. Whenever you click on OK, just wait for minutes. You will not receive that error again, because one time we set, and no need to open this. Only Just this, it's enough. You will have 2 symbols that it will run for multi-level. The other parameters you can change based on your desire. For example, maximum daily profit, maximum drawdown, limits on, and etc. Hidden stop loss. For scalp strategy, you will have stop loss pips, take profit pips, maximum spread, maximum slippage. For this scalp, you have to choose a broker, an account that have a very narrow spread. This will help you to earn more. We highly recommend you to test this scalp strategy and multi-level 2 weeks on a demo account to understand how exactly it will work, and you will understand what parameter is suits based on your personality. For each personality, the parameters must be different. And here from 22 till 1 a.m. it will work. It should be better to work on a night because in this time we will have low fluctuation in the market. This is also a filter, news filter. If you want to have a news filter, first of all you have to turn it on, and you should make sure that DLL is on. And for the currency that you want to be related, for example, I want to be USD and GBP and JPY. That's it. Whenever I click here, I can mention, for example, 60 minutes before high news, 60 minutes after high news, or medium news. We do not have a trade. Okay, whenever you click on the okay, you have to wait to read the news from the market. You should wait for at least 24 hours to understand you have trades or not. So for testing the bot, only wait for 24 hours. If you have any question, you can ask from our specialist in XAUBOT.com, and you can contact us through email or WhatsApp. Please do not hesitate to ask any question. We are here to help you.